Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to encounter the error code 529 in Roblox. Usually it's named as HTTP error. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually these 529 typically indicates a disruption between your device and the Roblox server. So our first step is to stepping into Roblox server by searching status.roblox.com in your browser and then click Roblox status. Yeah, it seems to be good. All system are operational, so there is no error from the Roblox server side. So typically we need to troubleshoot it. Follow our next step to troubleshoot it. Yeah, our next step is to close and reopen the Roblox. So to close fully, you need to enter into your task manager. Just right click and enter into your task manager and scroll down and check whether the Roblox app is running on the background. If it's running on the background, please close it. If it's not an issue, close the task manager and restart your system and router. If you are using Wi-Fi, just plug in and plug off your router. Meanwhile, restart your system too. Once it's done, just enter into your command prompt to reset network stack. Search for CMD and open the command prompt as run as administrator. Just run the prompt which is shown on the video, like ipconfigure flush DNS, ipconfigure release, yeah, those things. Once you're done, just enter exit and to exit from the command prompt. After that, just restart your PC and check whether the Roblox is running or not. If it's not running, execute the fifth step. Here what we are gonna do is adjust the DNS settings. For that, you need to enter into your control panel, network and internet, network and sharing center, and then click your network property, then double tap the internet protocol version 4 and enable the use following DNS server address like 8888 and 8844 and then click OK. Once you're done, the next step I won't recommend in the sixth step. It's temporarily disable the firewall. For that, you need to enter into your Windows security and firewall and network protection and private network. Here you need to disable the firewall temporarily. Turn off your firewall or antivirus, then test Roblox to see if it's being blocked or not. So I hope the video is useful. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.